Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV up here.
Okay, I'm reaching my destination. I don't know what happened to my fucking iPad. I forgot to stop at the Apple store too. I don't know what happened to my shit. It just locked off by me so for no reason. I don't know what's going on. And I got the new shit too. Shit would never turn on. And I got the new. Shit just hurt my feelings. My shizzy, I got the new. The new one. No button, nothing, and my shit just stopped. I don't know what happened. So, I gotta take it to the Apple store to see what's going on with it. Cause my shit just stopped. My shit just stopped for no reason. Shit hurt my feelings. That bitch that. My panty, I forgot to start by small panty now. Got extra small panty. Now work for me no more. No, she can't keep it. She could keep the phone. I'm going to Apple right now. She could keep the phone. I got insurance on my shit. She could keep it. Because she going to jail. I give her the option to run back my phone and walk free. And she want to keep the phone. So she have to go to jail. Because it's either you're going to give me back my phone and walk free. Or you're going to keep the phone and go to jail. And I give her the option the whole weekend to drop the phone. Anywhere she want to drop the phone. Not even at the trash can. And she didn't drop it off. So today is a brand new week now. So I don't want the phone no more. I'm going to Apple now to go get my phone. So now she's going to go to jail. And me I got every party I book, all of me don't know the people there. Me I camp out a booking now. Anyway, me see her. I'm calling 911. She's going to go to jail. And that's just it. I give her the opportunity to drop the phone anywhere she want to drop it. The whole weekend, and she won the phone, so keep it. She could keep it. Man, it take long to reach 2 Black Sea. I could literally see the train station. And it took me, I know I can't reach 2 blocks. This is crazy. When me had to crawl. Oh my God. Not good enough people. Stop using the money and buy them bleaching thing and get black. If I ever saw she black. Jesus. Oh my Lord. She black. I go things so I can't see. Go down to my glasses. Can I get so used to my glasses then. Oh my fucking God. Jesus Christ. To God. Good Lord. How about the bumper clip this? Stop. Yeah, I'm almost there now. I think I'm going to stop at Dunkin' Donut and get a juice. Yeah, one of them look watermelon fresh in there. Yeah. Stop and get one of them there. I look nice, see me just see myself now one glass. No, girl, you're going. How are you going to do? Girl, you're going. You look a baby that's down for you, do, girl. Thanks. Let's look at Affi. You said the pants is small. I forget milk. I forget. How you go? Where come over here? Come show your Affi. How your ear can overbook now? The whole one over there, one in the mouth and attack all type of shit. So talk where your ear. Come out for the whole of over Brooklyn. Come on answer all of uno. So me I wait for uno one by one to answer uno. You show your eyeball. What you show your eyeball for? What you show your eyeball for? Huh? Come now. Make a reason. What happened? I will send you come. Wow, that breeze I feel good. Jesus. Woo. I felt that one under my back. My ear too fucking long, bro. I think I need to go short. I'm not even keeping this ear in long. Fucking time I get too hot. I can't manage this eat with this damn fucking long ear. Shit is a 45 in my fucking head. I put him in, take out the 50. Then I how me would I manage. One and only. One and only. Remember, me not go on the cutting board no more than one time. Them go on the cutting board 16 times, 20 times. One time on the cutting board. Still never get no cut when me go on the cutting board. Them get a whole heap of cuts up here, them stomach high. I like them a breed. What you look for? Look at a Mexican him a look for me. Say the Mexican them enough, you see? Bomber class. Them enough. When I see them a walk and them head tie up, I hold my bag, I look at them now. Grab my bag and run. Yeah. Them enough. At 100 of them walk, you know. Should I walk with a brush? I said I don't wear straight hair. I don't like straight hair because I can't manage it. Oh my god. Too much. Them germs I come back out now with the bike. So the dirty bike man when I down the little boy in Harlem. I don't like them bike people here. You know good as man walk car come at the bus stop. That look good here. Good as man walk car come at the bus. Hey, enough. When I love who love you know. Stop wall out and love who love you know. And that me I telling you. So good as man walk with that come at the bus stop there. Now for love who love you know. Make some of them boy go on with them a go. For sure. You have to love who love you. Girl man walk with her come at the bus stop. Come back. I just bring up my kids them go eat and the Scarlett's are there and carry them in because you know Neymar is graduating on Wednesday. Hi Jolene. Neymar graduate Wednesday, so you don't know. My bad charge them pull up over here. Tiffany, how it go? How it go, Tiffany? Oh my there. Yeah, so enough to do them. Two on over there. When they stick together and when them try, you know, to beat out them blood clots. That's it. Yeah. No make no pussy feel like them can't style, you know, over there. Them try, you know, to beat them blood clots. The two, you know, tag team and tear them up like blood clot newspaper and call it a day. That's it. Yeah. I make no pussy feel like them can't come go like them want to come here. I feel like them can't come test, you know. Me did a walk here. Still not lose no weight. I don't know when I get fat I go. I have more problems them, you know. Yeah. Come and miss my man. All of them something there. I just get fat, so you know what I'm going with me. That's what one. Once Stacy Barbie, when the whole world hate me, they will go pay. And anybody will pay them to come get rid of me. Better them get back their money. Because them can't get rid of me. And when them come and tell a lie them, I always come back, come show the people them say, nothing I got, sir. Because one thing with me, I'm not afraid to talk the truth. Yeah. Yup. Be a lie them tell, my love. Be a lie the people them telling now. Be a lie. And them in other place I know, because them like to give people sweet blood clot juice to kill them. I mean I have none of them flour, sugar, nor vinegar sickness, yeah. Nor caramel, and them not give me none. I mean I want the juice sweet. I have no high nor low blood pressure. I want the juice, I don't want it sweet. And when I tell them, so they don't want to see them have blood clot attitude. Like I beg them. Yeah, that's something I see. I don't like them iron something. I just feel like I'm going to drop down in it, you know. I hold up my head and look.